In 2021, when cryptocurrency started to see some gains over gold and the SP 500, everyday investors were asking questions like, why the constant fluctuations in the price of XRP? What would the price of XRP be before the year runs out? And how much would XRP be worth by the end of 2023? What kind of price action would XRP experience once the lawsuit against Ripple gets settled? Such questions and a lot more have put investors on the hunt for predictions on the prices of coins with the greatest potential to reach a significant profit margin, like XRP. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. We also have a special discount offer on Binance. You'll get 5% off every trade you make on the platform if you sign up with our promo link in the description. Also in the description are links to get your hands on GSX, the gold-backed currency. This growth coin is designed to withstand market volatility, and it's backed by real gold and other mineral resources. Be sure to check out the links in the video description. Just as expert analysts are predicting the price of Bitcoin to hit significant highs based on the stock-flow ratio, a more substantial portion of these predictions project the price of Bitcoin to hit maybe $1 million by 2028, at which point XRP could surpass its current price of a little over $1 to a range between 10,000 to 100,000 times its current value. Other notable crypto chart analysts and expert traders, like the credible Crypto, have on several occasions taken to Twitter to predict that the price of XRP would be most likely near a bottom when compared to price actions brought about by the most prominent cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, which would see the price of XRP making a reverse swing to outperform the foremost cryptocurrency on the planet. In the same vein, some hedge fund managers are calling out XRP's $10,000 price target. In that regard, we got the expert trader and Bitcoin Marxist Raoul Pal talking about XRP in such high regard. According to this guy, the most exciting thing about the XRP token lies within the intrinsic value proposition of the coin through the asset's many use cases. And I know a lot of these other Bitcoin Marxists over the year have had their reservations about XRP, saying it's not decentralized at all, it has too much token supply, and a bunch of other reservations. Keep in mind that the only truth about any digital asset is its price on the charts. As we have on this 7-day chart for XRP, the price of this digital asset has rebounded strongly after that touch on the 1-week 50-moving average. However, this movement has turned into a sideways swing that struggles to get past the $1.45 mark. Based on historical findings, this new trend for XRP is not in any way alarming, as it ideally is in sync with XRP's long-term cyclical behavior. Of course, the theoretical cycles for this digital asset are on a lengthening behavioral model, much like we've seen with Bitcoin. And just as the adoption for this asset class continues to cut across a much broader horizon. That said, within the time frame of the previous bull run, during the 2017 mania phase, that saw XRP hitting its all-time highest price values, we did see a consolidation pattern in the form of an ascending triangle that extended to further dominate XRP's price action, after that turning it sideways for the next 6 months before the hyper-aggressive rally that took place in December that year, that peaked the cycle and transcended into the following year. Right now, XRP seems to be struggling inside a similar triangle. And since the moving average, which has been within the support zone since the breakout, is held, the question on the lips of XRP and crypto enthusiasts from around the globe is none other than how much longer do we have to wait before we see a breakout of that zone. As noted earlier, the degree of error on this trend is way above average, given the lengthening cycles theory and the fundamentals entailed by the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. Yet, on the technical side, we should be more than 2 months away from that time zone if we're to look at it from a symmetrical price action compared to the 2017 mania fractal. The commodity channel index is similar to the 2017 bounce experienced on the -70 tagline, as that trend certainly shows XRP's colossal potential. Considering the Fibonacci extension model shown on this chart, that price margin should be well placed at the $7 mark based on this. In simple terms, XRP can do more than Bitcoin has achieved, considering it has more efficiency and ease of transaction than most other cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. With the XRP ledger, retail traders can run their banks just as corporations and governments could also have their dedicated sidechains running on the XRP ledger, such as the one designed by the Ripple team to power the world's central bank digital currencies. Given that, users on the XRP ledger are not just entitled to the super fast, cheaper, and convenient mode of cross-border transaction settlement provisioned by Ripple. These other unique features, like the XRP escrow and checks and its built-in decentralized exchange functionality, adding to the fact that the DEX feature on the XRP ledger was the first ever decentralized exchange to come into existence, as it's been operating flawlessly since the inception of the Ripple platform. Also, the XRP ledger was the first blockchain to allow for the tokenization of other assets, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, and a lot more. These features establish that XRP is not just for banks, financial institutions, or corporate bodies. It's not only about cross-border payments or the Ripple company, an independent, open-source, and permissionless technology. Anyone can use this platform, however they please, just as anyone can build anything on top of it. Based on this mindset, many crypto enthusiasts have come to consider XRP as a banker's coin, and that it isn't trying to go against the existing and broken financial system. But in contrast to that train of thought, the makers of the Ripple platform are out to rival the financial conglomerate that collectively services the SWIFT network and the traditional system of banking that is most hated throughout the entire crypto community. Therefore, the connection of Ripple's technology with the existing system is inevitable, given it is built to be compatible. That incorporation is currently ongoing. Through the transformative blockchain technology inherent in the Ripple protocol, XRP has an authentic propensity to change the financial ecosystem, making it better than it ever was. Similarly, and when that transition entirely comes into fruition, we can see the price of XRP hitting price ranges more than we've ever imagined. Ripple has designed its payment remittance network to make it most accessible for precisely those centralized financial agencies to complete their clients' transactions themselves in-house. Considering businesses from around the globe could engage in such heavy transactions, which would typically incur vast sums of cash as a transaction fee, the adoption of the Ripple platform and its native XRP coin is almost inevitable. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. Don't forget to check out the links in our video description for our Patreon and Discord group, and make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.